Hello, what's up, my good people? Welcome back to Mumbus and Hubby's YouTube channel. And today we have a very interesting video. We are going to cook chapati carrots. Actually, I'm trying this for the very first time. I'm cooking chapati carrots for the very first time. So, and to the main ingredients, I'm going to use 2 eggs, flour, milk, sugar, salt, coriander. Do I have another ingredient? I don't think so. So let's start the video, guys. Remember to like, click that notification bell, share, comment, and always leave a positive comment, guys. Let's start the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Well, I'm done cooking my chapati. So wadau, chapati zenye zinakaa tamu na sio kujigamba na ni soft pia. So that is the final product of my chapatis, and I'm sorted for supper for 2 days.
We